Meaning of indignation.
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 Indignation. The word indignation refers to a strong feeling of anger or displeasure, typically in response to something perceived as unjust or unfair. It is a passionate emotion that often arises from a sense of moral outrage. People who experience indignation may feel frustrated, offended, or resentful. This emotion can lead people to take action against the perceived wrongs, such as protesting or speaking out. Indignation can also be a powerful motivating force for change, inspiring individuals and communities to stand up for what they believe is right and just.